some kind of weird whipping, like, wow, impressive movements there. Very interesting. 你好，可以拍吗？ Okay. Yeah. Wow, they didn't want to be just a bunch of dudes with shotguns. Oh, welcome back to another video. So I saw out of our hotel window, that's the hotel we're staying in, Novotel. You've probably seen it in the other videos. For the price, it's not really that much of a good hotel, so that's all I have to say about it. Right, so out of the hotel window I saw an interesting looking park that we're gonna go and have a look at. If I can find which way to go. Interesting. Hold on a second, let me have a look here. We are live on the ground on the streets of Guiyang City in Guizhou province. There's a McDonald's over there. I won't be eating it. Guiyang is the capital city of Guizhou province with a population of about, well, actually I don't know, because I checked online and the information they have is 10 years out of date. The park's over there, so we're gonna have to go underground. The population, something around 6 million, I'm guessing, 7. We're heading into the underground passage now. Bit of a traffic jam. I came here in the last video at night. This place was absolutely creepy and freaky. Oh, it's still closed slightly. Which way do I go? Let's go this way. Wow, a convenience store. You do find quite a lot of underground places in most cities in China. Is this gonna bring me back up across? Should do. Should we take the escalator? No, let's be healthy and take the stairs. What? I got him on the wrong side. So I've made a huge mistake. I've come up on the wrong side. I want to be over there. This is quite confusing. This is very confusing indeed. How do I get across? Let's have a look this way. Wow, there's a building going out there. Massive skyscraper. Alright, let's go back on the ground. I think I've ran out of breath on the stairs. Back down the stairs. Right, so we want to go across there. So, I guess it's down here and then turn right. Back on the ground. Back on the ground, baby. Must be this way. Must be this way. A lot of people going to work. What time is it? 9:20. It's 9:20 a.m. I guess they're going to be a bit late if they're going to work at this time. Oh, it's definitely this way. Okay, we found it. Let's be healthy again. Take the stairs. Take the stairs. Wow. We're coming up into... Are you kidding me? You must be... Did I get the right side? I did get the right side. Okay, so... Where's my hotel? Ah, so that's the That's the hotel I was staying in, and from that window I saw this interesting park. So let's take a look. What indeed is going on inside this park? It looks very interesting. Some old grandmas. What's down here? Saw a lot of people doing some type of Tai Chi. Am I recording? Yes, I am. Didn't see any like workout type of places. I can hear a guy whipping the thing. Oh, look at this bamboo. Did I go the wrong way? Wow, we've come in. Just got an old guy there stretching on the bars. These are what I saw out the window, and I wondered what they were doing. It's a bit bright here. Let me put my glasses on. Wow. I think this is Tai Chi, if anyone knows. Very interesting. Some more kind of... Oh, they have swords. Jesus Christ. Come on, show me some action then. Why do they each have a sword? That is very impressive. Swords. It's a pretty nice little park with the kind of rock. I guess we're gonna come back when they're ready. Wow. Something going off down here. Whoa. Two people just playing badminton. You'll find that Chinese, they love badminton. I don't know why. They just love it. Let's take a closer look at their badminton game. Oh. Foul and a miss. Guys, who's whipping? Oh, it's over there. Someone's whipping. Before I came to China, I'd never seen anything like this before. Some kind of weird whipping, like tin that spins around. You gotta watch out, you can't get too close. Because if you get a whack around the ear hole with that, I guess it would proper hurt. Well, let's check out if those sword people have started jousting yet, or fighting, or having a game of like fight to the death. Let's head back up there. Quite a gloomy and miserable day in Guiyang. They've started. Right, let's have a look. You even got like a rack to hang your bags and things. Wow. Some kind of sword Tai Chi. I guess that's the teacher there. Wow. I feel like I'm in some kind of kung fu movie. And then there's like the guy. He He used to be in this group, but like he went off to do his own thing, got his own sword because he didn't like the way they were swinging, if you know what I mean. So he went off on his own to do his own kind of sword, Tai Chi. Oh, there's another one there. His sword's a little bit longer. Wow. There you can see the huge shopping mall that's going up over there. I'm not used to seeing all these skyscrapers, you know. I'm out in the living out in the country. Wow, impressive movements there. And just a few more grandmas going for their daily healthy walk. Right, so where should we head down? Let's head down this little alleyway. Oh, it's quite peaceful actually with that kind of music. Shame about the weather. Very dull. Very dull indeed. Very dull and gloomy. A lot of workers, people going to work. What day is it? Today is Tuesday? Yes, it's Tuesday. Today's Tuesday. That's the road sign. That's the road that we're on. There's no one around. Ah, this is where I came from, right? There you have it. That was a park. Very interesting. And this is in the city of Guiyang, the capital province of Guizhou. Guiyang. Gui means ghost and Yang means sheep. So this city actually means ghost sheep. It doesn't really. It means something. It means north. Something north mountain, south mountain. I don't know. Go check it out. Let's look down here. Anything? Ah, the next video. Let me tell you about the next video. It's going to be very interesting. We're going to today, in like a couple of hours. We're going to the IMAX. Whoa! People with the guns. Whoa! 你好，可以拍吗？我可以。Yeah. Wow, they didn't want to be just a bunch of dudes with shotguns. Very impressive. I said, can I film you? And they said no. They said no, we will shoot you. Wow. Alright, I guess that's it. That's the end of this video footage. Where is the way I need to go? Where is the hotel? Where is the hotel, baby? Well, let's head back underground into the underground world. This city does have a metro system, but it's still being built. I think there is one line running, and it's developing very, very quickly. Back underground now. I'm gonna get the wrong way. Back underground, I would say it's this way. I don't know why these places are not open yet. It's 9:30 and it's still not open. Some places are. What's that? Dumplings. Intriguing. Okay, I know which way. No, I don't. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. I don't want to get it wrong. Is it that way? I think I may have messed up here. It's not this way. I don't remember the heart. Don't remember the heart. Let's keep going around. Must be around here. If anyone's watching this from Guiyang, because who is a foreigner, because I have not seen one single foreigner here. Ah, it's this way. Okay. Okay, shall we take the stairs? Oh god, okay, we're not taking those stairs. Guy's still sneezing. People dodging the camera here, or maybe they're just dodging me. Because I'm being too healthy for them. I actually got the correct way. Starbucks. Man, what a terrible, gloomy. Ah, just a guy carrying a bird in a bird cage. You see a lot of older Chinese men carrying bird cages in China for some reason. I don't know why. Anyway, right, so we're just heading to the hotel now. Uniqlo there. If you like Uniqlo, press like on this video. It's still not open. We've got weird opening times. Very weird opening times. FCB. Interesting. Right, let's get back to the hotel. Stay tuned for the next video. We're going to IMAX. Gonna see Tenet. Christopher Nolan. Hopefully it's good. Well, what am I saying? Of course it's gonna be good. Alright, signing off. Signing off. See you in the next one.